is up, guys? Welcome back to my new YouTube channel, aka EjoJ Vlogs. I'm gonna be doing vlogs over here. Anyways, hi guys, welcome back. And I'm gonna be going to Crumbl Cookie and trying Crumbl Cookie for the first time. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright guys, and we're at Crumbl Cookie now. And let's go order the thing that I wanted. So let's go. Gotta show you. What's up? Hi. So what are the flavors? What are the flavors? What are the flavors?
Milk chocolate chip cookies and cream, cinnamon toast, vanilla bean cupcake cookie form, caramel Twix cookie.
Oh, okay. Anyways, yeah. So can I get this Crumbl cookie? Can I get this flavor and this flavor?
These two?
Yep.
That's it. And the other was this one, right?
Yeah, no.
Is that
Yep, I'll be on.
your total $8.98?
What you say?
$8.98 is your total?
$8.98. These better be the best cookies ever. Top. Oh, okay.
Hold on. Here you go.
Alright, now I tap it?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright. See this cookies right here? I'm getting this one and this one, bro. These better be the best cookies in the world. Because they'll be my honest opinion. Not gonna lie. Guys, look at that. Look at that. Look what he's doing over there. Making a whole whip. So it's just like this boy. Gotta be the best.
What's in this one?
No, I already read it through the website.
What's in it?
So it's like white chocolate drizzle, a little bit of dark chocolate, but I don't mind with dark chocolate. I just don't. They didn't show that, but excuse me. Does this have macadamia nuts in it? Does this have macadamia nuts in it?
None of them, though. I don't think so.
Okay.
I'll just ask to make sure. Right there.
Which one has peanuts?
Which one has peanuts? Oh, yeah, just the cheese one. Okay.
Dang. I gotta check.
Just making sure. Meet me in the car.
Alright. So guys, let's see that. So guys, I got the Crumbl. Now we're gonna be going into the car. So we back. And I got this one, and this one. Then when I get to the house, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna give my honest opinion because I hear some people on the internet say that Crumbl cookies are really bad, but I gotta test that. I need to test that because it's probably just hatred towards the company or something like that. But yeah. See you at the house. And so we have the Crumbl cookies. This is the first one. It's like a sprinkle something. Alright, let's try this. We're talking. Let's try it. really heavy. It's not that heavy. Alright, let's try this. That's not actually good. It's like, it's a thick version of a cookie, but it's good. It's not even that bad. Anyways, this sucks. And the ice is kind of like a lemon. If you had like a lemon, come on, let's try this. It looks way more extreme, way more ingredients. Oh my. The broke apart. The broke apart. Anyways, let's try this part though. This smells not even up. These are actually really good. That's really good. Overall, I like this one better. Way more simple. And this one, fun fact, I don't like milk chocolate. It kind of tastes like milk chocolate when you like melt Oreos, so yeah. Anyway, you guys, if you like this video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.